Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Over 1300% return in the last 10 years. Yes, you heard it right. Hello and welcome. You're watching BT TV. I'm Tanya Neja and let's talk about a multi-bagger stock that has delivered over 1300% return in the last 10 years, over 270% return in the last 5 years. It has also surged nearly 4 times to around 4,000 odd levels since the pandemic and has been able to deliver double-digit returns in the year 2024 so far. Well, I'm talking about PI Industries. PI Industries is a prominent name in the agrochemical space and has a presence in over 30 countries and 4 global offices in India, Japan, China and Germany. It also owns and operates 5 formulation facilities and 13 multi-product plants producing agriculture chemicals such as insecticides, fungicides, herbicides and specialty chemicals for use in farms. So as an investor, you must be wondering what's really next for this multi-bagger stock. Well, Anand Rathi Shares and Stockbrokers believes that Indian companies are attractively placed due to lower labor and manufacturing costs, strong R&D backup and good relations with global manufacturers, innovators, which would eventually support growth of domestic contract research and manufacturing services players. It added that the structural growth story of the agrochemical space is intact, impelled by rising domestic demand, substantial opportunities to explore products going off patent in the next decade, stringent environmental norms in China that offers domestic manufacturers an edge, and strategic tie-ups with global giants. Now, over FY24 to FY26, the company is likely to deliver 15% and 13% and 9% growth in revenue, EBITDA and PAT CAGR respectively. The expected revenue growth would be driven by the bright outlook for domestic agrochemicals, focus on product development and launches coupled with the strong CSM order book and rising inquiries. Now, Anand Rathi and Stockbrokers has a buy rating on this particular counter with a target price of 4,600 rupees, and this is considering its foray into pharma, recovery in the domestic market and strong growth in its CSM business. So if you compare it with the current market price, there is a significant potential upside according to Anand Rathi. Now, if we take a technical check as well, SMC Global believes that one can buy the stock in the range of 3,775 to 3,790 levels for the upside target of 4,150 to 4,175 levels, but with a stop loss below 3,500 odd levels. And lastly, talking about the company, promoters of PI Industries own more than 46% stake in the company, while mutual fund houses that own 16.36% stake in it, and LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India, that also owns more than 2.49% stake in this company. So that was all about PI Industries, but to know more about such multi-bagger stocks, you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to stay tuned to BT TV because lots more coming up for you. So stay tuned and many thanks for watching.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.